Many actors actively working in the entertainment industry and never get the credit they truly deserve. Even after stellar performances in multiple movies, the actors somehow get typecast to do only indie films. Even though the industry has progressed exorbitantly, giving roles to lesser known and extremely talented actresses, these actors are still considered underrated with the masses. So here is Tried and Refused Productions with top 10 underrated female Bollywood actors. Shweta Tripathi. In my opinion, one of the cutest faces in Bollywood today, Shweta Tripathi has impressed audiences and critics with all her performances.
बस म्यूजिक
और शायरी बहुत पसंद है
शायरी
जी बशीर बद्र अकबर इलाहाबादी मिर्ज़ा गालिब का नाम तो सुना होगा आपने
Extremely underrated with noteworthy and impressive performances in movies such as Trishna, Masan, and Haram Khor, Shweta with all her roles leaves a smile on your face. The actress, barring movies, has also starred in web series such as Love Shots and The Trip. Divya Datta. Another actress whose body of work proves that she is one of the most talented individuals in the industry, taking up a variety of roles with ease. Datta made her film debut in 1994 with the film Ishq Mein Jeena, Ishq Mein Marna. The actress has ventured into Punjabi and Nepali cinema as well and done fairly well.
क्या जरूरत थी? तुम्हें पता किस तरह के बेहुदा सवाल किए उसने मुझसे? किसी की हिम्मत नहीं मुझे इस तरह से
पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेशन.
Some of her breakthrough roles that gave her widespread acclaim include Veer Zara, Delhi 6, Bhag Milkha Bhag, Special 26, and Badlapur. The actress was last seen in the 2016 movie Traffic. Mahi Gill. Remember the troubled, courageous, and completely smitten Paro from Dev D? Everyone does. Before her iconic role in Dev D, Mahi made her debut in a Punjabi film called Hawaii in 2003. After a string of Punjabi films and making her breakthrough with Dev D, Mahi proved to everyone with her performances that she is here to stay.
ਜੇ ਨੱਚਣ ਦਾ ਇੰਨਾ ਹੀ ਚਾਹ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਅੱਜ ਹੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਵਿਆਹ 'ਚ ਤੇਰੇ ਸ਼ਰੀਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਘਰ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਨੋਹ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਹੁਣ ਟੁੱਟਿਆ ਦਿਲ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਝਾਕਿਆ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਇਸ ਕੋਠੇ ਦਾ.
With praiseworthy performances in movies like Gulal, Dabang, Sahib Biwi or Gangster and the sequel, and Pan Singh Tomar. The actress was last seen in the 2017 movie Wedding Anniversary opposite Nana Patekar. Urmila Matondkar. The versatile actress that has faded away from the limelight recently was one of the best performers in the 90s and early 2000s. Mostly portraying damaged and eccentric characters, she made her acting debut as a child in Shriram Lagu's 1980 Marathi film Zakol. Later she appeared in Shekhar Kapoor's critically acclaimed drama Masoom and made her adult acting debut in the 1989 Malayalam thriller movie Chanakyan opposite Kamal Hassan.
मैं यहाँ पर बैठी थी और टीवी देख रही थी और एक बार मुझे ऐसा लगा कि एक औरत खड़ी यहाँ पर राइट हियर मेरे पीछे.
The actress over the years put some praiseworthy and jaw-dropping performances like Rangila, Satya, Kaun, Ek Hasina Thi and Bhoot. The actress was last seen in the 2014 Marathi film Ajoba. Supriya Pathak. Another legendary actress who has worked in the industry for many decades and has only recently got worldwide acclaim is Supriya Pathak. The actress made her film debut in 1981 with Kalyug. Her portrayal of Subhadra won her the Filmfare Award for Best Supporting Actress. She went on to give stellar performances in Vijeta, Bazaar, Masoom and Mirch Masala.
नटू भाई अब हंसे नहीं. लीला ने जोक मारा. बहुत तेज है हमारी लीला.
The Khichdi star, after a 11-year hiatus from acting in movies, starred in the 2005 film Sarkar, followed by its sequel Sarkar Raj in 2008, and later put on some of her best performances in movies like Wake Up Sid and Ram Leela. Swara Bhaskar. This woman over the recent years has done nothing but prove us that she has fully cemented her position in the industry as a capable and a highly talented actress. The actress made her film debut with Madhulal Keep Walking in 2009 and came in Guzarish and the untitled Karthik Krishnan project, which didn't give her much recognition despite her performances. But post her portrayal of Payal in Tanu Weds Manu, her career has only gone uphill.
पहले ने अपनी मनमर्जी से प्यार करना था, फिर भाग के शादी करनी थी. अब जब सब हो रहा है आराम से, तो उन्हें इस बात का दुख है कि सब इतने आराम से कैसे हो रहा है. इसमें इन्हें चार्म नहीं दिख रहा है ना.
With amazing performances in movies like Ranjana, Neel Batte Sannata, and Anarkali of Ara. Shabana Azmi. Hands down, the talent that this woman possesses should be talked about in the media for generations. An individual who is literally a chameleon, embodying herself fully and convincingly in every role she plays.
किसान की मर्जी के खिलाफ उसकी माँ की छाती पर फैक्ट्री लगाने की इजाजत देना हमारी सरकार को मंजूर नहीं है.
Azmi graduated from FTII in 1973 and went on to sign on Khwaja Ahmad Abbas's Fasla and began work on Kanti Lal Rathod's Parine as well. Her first release, however, was Shyam Benegal's directorial debut Ankur. The actress, who has worked in the industry since 1974, is most remembered in roles like Shatranj Ke Khiladi, Arth, Masoom, Godmother and Makdi. And the list can go on and on. What a legend. Richa Chadda. Another actress who literally can portray any woman's unique story on screen is Richa Chadda. Chadda made her acting debut in a supporting role as Dolly in Dibakar Banerjee's directed 2008 film Oye Lucky Lucky Oye. Since then, the actress has come in many underrated films where she has simply stolen the show.
ये कौन रखा है हाँ? कटोरी, चम्मच, गिलास, ये सब ठंडा करने का काम थोड़ी है. और अचार आप ही रखे होंगे.
Amazing performances include Gangs of Wasipur, Fukre, Ram Leela, Masan, and Sarabjit. The actress has many years left in her bag to keep impressing us with her undeniable talent. Tabu. There is absolutely no doubt that Tabu is one of the best actresses in Bollywood. The only sad feature being that she is not given the same accolades as her peers and mainstream actresses. She has starred in movies since the 1980s and is still active in the industry today.
अब तक कोई दिलचस्प आदमी मिला ही नहीं.
34 साल और कोई दिलचस्प आदमी नहीं मिला.
64 years और कोई दिलचस्प औरत भी तो नहीं मिली. तो
putting stellar performances one after the other. Her most impressive stints in movies include Chandni Bar, Machis, Makbool, Haider and Drishyam. Definitely an actress who'll go down in history as one of the best. Before we discuss the number one position, here are some honorable mentions.
Somebody just has to press my button. This button marked tradition. And I start responding like a trained monkey.
गलती पर टोकना बहुत आसान है मिस्टर जॉर्ज, पर गलती करने की हिम्मत रखना बहुत मुश्किल, जो इनमें है.
हमारे प्राइवेट मैटर का तमाशा बना दिया तूने.
ये रिवर राफ्टिंग कैंप का है. कोने पे बैठ के कुछ कुछ कर रहा था तो मैंने बड़ा संभाल के रख लिया.
I can't believe you're justifying this madness. तू मने के जारी तारी मेड तारी ज्वेलरी लाइनी भागी गई थी. You didn't go and torch the whole Chhara community, did you?
Konkona Sen Sharma. Again, an actress who can be named with the all-time greats in the industry is Konkona Sen. An example for many women that you don't have to have a specific look for the industry and that talent can take you extremely far. The actress in 2000 made her adult debut in the Bengali film Ek Je Ache Kanya, in which she played a negative character. Post that, her noteworthy performances include Mr. and Mrs. Iyer, Page 3, Omkara and Wake Up Sid.
I guess somebody जो independent हो for starters, जिसका कोई definite career हो, कोई goal हो life में, जिसके ideas मुझसे मिलते हैं. In short, a man.
The actress was last seen in the 2016 film Akira and has directed the much talked about Death in the Gunj, slated to release in the first quarter of 2017. And that was the list, guys. Write it down in the comments below if there were some actresses that we missed out on. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Follow me at JammyPants4. Also, support us by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel for weekly content ahead. Thank you so much for watching.